Hi, I'm Tal Blair, and I'd like to introduce you to motion guidance. Our product was created out of a gap we saw in physical therapy, which was a lack of cues to use with patients when verbal and tactile cues were falling short. Our product is pretty simple. The motion guidance device is an easy-to-use visual feedback system that can be used on any body part. Simply slide the mounting piece onto the strap, pop the laser onto the mount, and adjust the aim of the laser. The kit comes with two mounts depending on if you want the laser to project perpendicular or parallel, and multiple straps to affix the device on any body part. The laser is used in conjunction with multiple tracking grids, which you can use creatively depending on your rehab goals. Research supports external cues over internal cues for motor learning. Research also notes that in people with pain or after injury, a positional awareness deficit exists. Essentially, these people have a poor body awareness of the injured area. With motion guidance, you can both assess and train this deficit, as well as give your clients a visual external cue, making rehab more engaging and allowing the client to visualize progress. We have a lot of video applications of the neck, shoulder, core, and lower extremity on the media section of our website. Feel free to browse these applications and see how motion guidance can add value to your rehab.